So it has been 3 weeks now that I bought this Maxbest MBT15. Yes. So let me just unbox it and let's see what we have here in this mini speaker. Okay, so if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing and more reviews. Okay, so I will start with unboxing, then my review after using this mini speaker for 3 weeks. Okay, so let's see what we have here. And also I bought this for as low as 100 cedis. Yes, 100 Ghana cedis. So you can also check in town, maybe it will be more or lesser, okay, depending on where you are buying it. Let's see some of the features that we have in this mini speaker. So we have these buttons on top, that's the 4 buttons, and the M, which is the top one, stands for mode. It is used to switch between Bluetooth and other ones. Okay, so let's see, we have the left and right buttons, which is the negative and then the positive sign. So when you just click on it, a click on the negative sign will just get you to the previous song, and then the plus sign will just get you to the next song. When you just long press them, the negative sign will just decrease the volume, and then the plus sign will also increase the volume. And then we have the play button below. It will help you just to play and pause on music or any other. Okay, so let's see what we have here again. We also have the LED, which will be like a display showing you whether you're in Bluetooth mode, SD card. It is just a display showing you what you are doing. Okay, so let's continue from here, and if you haven't subscribe. Don't forget to like the video, and let's see more from here. So let's see, this is what we have on top. Now let's get back and let's see what we have behind this mini speaker. So with the back two, we have the aux, we have the off and then on buttons here. We also have the DC 5 volt. Okay, so the port to charge the mini speaker is right here. And let's see, we also have the USB and then also the TF port right at the back of this mini speaker. So that's what we have at the back of the mini speaker. So let's continue with it, and don't forget to like the video for me. So after that, what do we also have in front of the mini speaker? So in front of it, we have the MBT15, which is the name of the mini speaker. So let's see what we also have in addition to the mini speaker. So we have the line in here, so you can just connect it to the mini speaker using your phone. And also we have the charger cord right here. So this mini speaker comes with these two things. Okay, and let's see, when you turn on, you see the display right here. And as I was saying, to show you what you do, okay, with the mini speaker, so every click on the 4 buttons will just show you right here. And also to show you the battery, okay, so the battery will also be displayed right here. And this one, when it goes low, okay, the battery goes low, you see that the battery will be blinking. Okay, so when you change across all the mode, it will just show you where you are. It is not too heavy for you to just carry along, so you can just carry it along, take it anywhere that you want to go, and it's very easy to carry. Okay, so that's it for the weight too, not too heavy for you to be carrying around. Also take note, this mini speaker comes with its manual on the box. Okay, so if you want to know anything, they have it all around on the box. Okay, so that's it. Some people have the manual written on the booklet in it, but this one, it has nothing like that. It's all around the box that it's carried along. Mini speaker born for music. So after 3 weeks of using this baby, okay, I call it baby just because it has become part of me. Anywhere I go, I just carry it along. These are some of the things that I got to know. The battery life is good. It takes a long time for the battery to die. Okay, so that's the one thing that I got to know about this Maxbest. Okay, so another thing that I also got to know is that for its grounding, okay, when I say grounding, this is what I mean. When you put it down, leave it somewhere, and then the song is playing, you see that it cannot be staying at one place. It can fall. So if you leave it on the wall, the next time you come back, you just see this on the ground. Okay, so take note of that too. Okay, and then last thing that I'll talk about is the speaker. The speaker is very good. It has the bass. Okay, so I'm just playing this song right there. So let's see how you can hear the bass from it. Okay, so the bass quality is just better. So consider subscribe to this channel for more reviews, more unboxing, and then everything. Okay, also check, we have a playlist right here, a playlist that can help you to look at some unboxing and then some reviews about some tech stuffs. Okay, so check it out right here, and let's unbox more things right here. See you again. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.